In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to your Hostinger website. Whether you're embedding HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, this guide is perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their site or integrate additional functionalities. Let's dive in right at the beginning, so even if you're new to Hostinger, you'll feel right at home. To start, you'll want to head on over to the Hostinger homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL or click on the saved link if you have it. Logging in here should bring up your Hostinger dashboard, and from this page, you'll be able to navigate to all the tools you need to manage your website. If you've not logged in before, now might be a good time to save your login credentials for easy access later. Now, once you're on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to edit your website. You'll want to click on the section that says Websites. This should bring up a list of the sites you're managing. Simply click on the one you'd like to add code to. Look for something that says Edit Website and give it a click. This takes you into the website builder interface, which is where all your customizations are done. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if you're new. Hostinger's website builder is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. With the website builder open, the next step is to go to the Elements section. You should see this option somewhere along the side or top menu of the interface. Clicking on Elements will reveal a list of content blocks you can add to your site, ranging from text and images to buttons and more. Think of it as your toolbox for building out each part of your web page. Here comes the exciting part. Click on Embed Code. This feature allows you to add your own custom code snippets. Whether it's to integrate a third-party widget or to experiment with interactive content, embedding code gives your website a customized flair. This area is versatile and perfect for seasoned coders and beginners alike. Finally, once you've selected Embed Code, a field will appear where you can paste in your desired code. Simply copy your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippet from your text editor and paste it into the field provided. Double-check to ensure that the code is correctly formatted, as errors can sometimes prevent the code from displaying properly on your live site. And that's all there is to it. After pasting in your code, make sure to save and preview your changes. Test your website thoroughly to ensure everything works as intended. There you have it, a straightforward guide to enhancing your Hostinger website with custom code. Happy coding, and make sure to subscribe for more website tutorials.